Good morning, children. I welcome you all once again for this social class. Today we are going to learn lesson 11 part 2. What's the name of the lesson we learned in the previous class? We celebrate. Very good. What's the spelling for celebrate? C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E. Celebrate. What day they are celebrating? They are celebrating birthday. And who is cutting the cake in the picture? The boy is cutting the cake. And how many candles are there on the cake? 10 candles are there on the cake. Who is taking pictures? Mummy is taking pictures. And the boy who is celebrating his birthday is Homie. Boy who is celebrating the birthday is Homie. And who is preparing cake for the boy? Grandma is preparing cake for the boy. After cutting the cake, what he will do? He will play games and have fun with his friends, and he will also eat so many tasty things. We call birthday is a special day. Why we call birthday is a special day? Because it's the special day because very good. It's the day when you were born. Very good. With whom we celebrate birthdays? We celebrate birthdays with our families and friends. We celebrate birthdays with our family and friends. And we have fun together also. Next day, what we are celebrating with our family and friends? We are celebrating wedding day. Wedding day is also a special day. What do we do on wedding day? We meet our relatives in the wedding. And we sing, dance and have fun, and we get to eat a lot of things. So many variety of food items you eat on the wedding, no? Yes. Now you understand at home what are the 2 days we are celebrating? Birthday and wedding day. These 2 days we are celebrating. Apart from that, we also learn about the other days. What are the days? What is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is our country. What is our country name? India. Very good. How can we call it as? Nation. Nation. We can call it as nation. National days. National days. Apart from that, we are celebrating national days. Why we call it as national days? Because these days are celebrated all over our country. The days that are celebrating all over the country. What are the days we are call it as national days? Shall we see? Look at here. First what we learned. Republic Republic Day. When we are celebrating 26th January, January. Republic Day, 26th January. First we learn about Republic Day. It's celebrated on 26th January. Next, what day they are celebrating? Second one, Independence, Independence Day, Independence Day, 15th August. Independence Day, 15th August. When we are celebrating Independence Day? On 15th August. On these 2 days, we hoist flag in our school. On these 2 days, what are the 2 days? We are hoisting flag in the school. Republic Day and Independence Day. And then next we learn about who is he? Yes, you are telling correctly. Very good. Gandhi, Gandhi, Jayanti, Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti. When we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October, October. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October we are celebrating. Very good. What are the 3 national days we learn? First we learn about Republic Day, 26th January. Next we learn about Independence Day, 15th August. And then we learn about Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. And We can also call Gandhi Jayanti as Bapu. We can call him as Bapu. Whose birthday is? Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday we are celebrating as Gandhi Jayanti. You understand it? No? Now we are going to do the book exercises. Look at the first one. Read and answer. Part A, circle the correct answers. Number 1, we celebrate our birthday every evening or every year. When shall we celebrate? Yes, very good. Every evening? No, every year. So you have to circle year. Number 2, we sing and dance at a wedding or race. When shall we sing and dance? We sing at a wedding. Very good. And then number 3, we celebrate 3 or 4 national days. How many national days we learned? We learned about 3 national days. So you have to circle 3. And then look at number 4. Gandhi Jayanti is Chacha Nehru's or Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. It is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Very good. Shall we do it now? We celebrate our birthday every year. You have to circle. And then we sing and dance at a wedding. And then number 3, we celebrate 3 national days. And then number 4, Gandhi Jayanti is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. We complete it. You understand this clearly. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do true or false. Part B. Write T for true and write F for false. Number 1, we have fun on our birthday. You enjoy your birthday, no? Yes. So you can write T. And then number 2, Independence Day is celebrated on 26th January. Is it? 26th January we are celebrating Independence Day? No, we celebrate it on 15th August. So this is wrong. So you have to write F. And then number 3, Republic Day is one of our national days. Yes, it's one of our national days. So you have to write T. And then number 4, we celebrate 2nd September as Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd September is Gandhi Jayanti? No, 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. So the last one is wrong. You have to write F, false. Shall we do it? We have fun on our birthday? True. Independence Day is celebrated on 26th January? False. Republic Day is one of our national days? Yes, true. We celebrate 2nd September as Gandhi Jayanti? False. Now you understand it clearly, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part D, think and answer. Think and answer. Papa has brought, what is this? Caps. Papa has brought caps. Mummy is putting candles. What's that? Candles on the cake. My grandparents have brought gifts. What's this? Gifts for me. Which special day am I celebrating? When your daddy bring caps, when your mommy put candles on the cake, when your grandparents bring gifts for you, what day is it? Yes, you are right. Very good. That's your birthday. Shall we write the spelling for birthday? What's the spelling for birthday? B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday. Very good. Very good. You like to celebrate your birthday, no? Yes. Now, shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part E. Write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, National, D-A-Y-S, days. We learn about the national days, no? 3 national days. Republic Day, 26th January. And then Independence Day, 15th August. And Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. From these 3 national days, here they have given the missing letters. Now we are going to Write it. Shall we do it now? Number 1, R. Which national day starts with the letter R? Republic. Very good. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C. Republic Day. And when we are celebrating it? 26 January. What's the spelling for January? January. January. And then next one, which national day starts with I? Independence. Very good. Dence. D-E-N-C-E. Independence Day. And when we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. What's the spelling for August? A-U-G-U-S-T. August. And the last national day, it starts with the letter G. Gandhi Jayanti. Very good. What's the spelling for Gandhi? J-A-N-D-H-I. Jayanti. J-A-Y-A-N-T-I. Gandhi Jayanti. And what day we are celebrating? 2nd October. What's the spelling for October? O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Very good. Now we completed. You all understand it clearly, no children? Yes. Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read and complete the lesson 11. We celebrate book exercises. You have to complete it. You should write it in the book very neatly. Okay, children? I hope you all understand this class well. Shall we meet in the next session? Thank you, children.